Hey everyone, got a Yu-Gi-Oh! Battle of Legends Heroes Revenge pack I'm gonna open for y'all. Let's see if we pull anything good. And what do you got? What is your guys' favorite Yu-Gi-Oh! Card that you have or have seen? Mine was always the Catapult Turtle. I'm weird like that. Need a knife to get this one open. But I got it. So here's the pack. Let's see what we find. What is the best card in this pack that you can pull? Let me know what you guys think on that one. So we got a Harpy's Conductor. All shiny. TNG Metal Skeleton. Nice. I do really like the graphics art of these guys. Vision Hero Trinity. Holographic. All these are holos. Sonic Stun. When an opponent's monster declares an attack, negate the attack. Then you can special summon one TG monster or one level 4 or lower tuner from your hand or deck. That's pretty cool. Luna Light Kaledo Chick. Alright. That's a little bit of a tongue twister right there. But that's all I got for you today. I'll hopefully get you some more content soon.